Are you a big foodie in the sense? Will you have desserts every day? Are you a chocolate person?
I am. I am a chocolate boy or person, दोनों.
When I interview actors who have played people from the real world, दो तरह के प्रोसेस होते हैं. एक बोलते हैं कि मैं सिर्फ स्क्रिप्ट फॉलो करूंगा, और दूसरे बोलते हैं नहीं, आई वुड लाइक टू मीट द पर्सन, आई वुड लाइक टू गूगल यूट्यूब उनके इंटरव्यूज देखो. व्हाट्स योर प्रोसेस?
उनके बारे में ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं थे,
Yeah.
उनके बारे में फोटोज भी नहीं थे इतने.
Right.
उनके सिर्फ कुछ न्यूज़ आर्टिकल्स थे जिससे ये पूरा कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग हो रहा था.
You're a bankable star. That's why you are a big name. Sajid Nadiadwala is a big name. Kabir Khan is a big name. Bajrangi Bhaijaan ka filmmaker is working with you. What is that initial approach like?
I was in safe hands. That's what I believed, and when I was doing Chandu Champion.
There's one fan question about you collaborating with Tripti Dimri in 2 movies. What is she like so far? What is
भूल भुलैया अभी चल रही है film which where Tripti is also there, and she's a wonderful artist to work with.
There's so much talk about your film with Vishal Bhardwaj, your film with Dharma Productions. What can you tell us at this stage?
I cannot say anything right now because I'm
You're
actually
doing those.
Huh?
Itna to you can say.
I can't say anything.
Karthik, welcome to Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you, sir.
First to the tagline, the true story of a man who refused to surrender.
Yeah.
जब भी कबीर खान ने आपको ये स्टोरी बोली, जब भी कबीर खान पहले आपसे मिले, आप लोग हमेशा यही फिल्म बनाने वाले थे या कुछ और प्लान था?
एक्चुअली मैं सर ने मुझे 2-3 आइडियाज सुनाए थे, एंड दिस वाज समथिंग जो वन ऑफ दोज आइडियाज़ था. तो जब हम मिले तो उन्होंने ये कहानी जब मुझे सुनाई तो मेरा पहला रिएक्शन ही ये था कि आई वाज इन लव विद द स्टोरी, बट आई स्पेसिफिकली आस्क्ड हिम कि इज दिस रियली अ ट्रू स्टोरी, बिकॉज इट्स मतलब इट्स टू अनरियल टू बिलीव कि अनबिलीवेबल स्टोरी है. एंड इट वाज ऑल फैक्ट्स, एंड ही वाज जस्ट ही सेड कि नथिंग अबाउट इट इज़ फिक्शनल, या उसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो कुछ भी बढ़ाया गया है, कम किया गया है. इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. एंड सो आई वाज जस्ट अमेज्ड टू नो दिस स्टोरी, एंड I just said yes instantly, and I was at it, but I didn't realize कि इतनी मेहनत उसमें लगेगी. After a while, मतलब कुछ दिनों बाद I realized कि अच्छा, तो ये फिल्म मैं अगर कर रहा हूँ तो मैं गिवन पीरियड में मैं कुछ और सोच भी नहीं सकता. करना तो दूर की बात है. मेरे पास मेरे स्केड्यूल में कोई टाइम ही नहीं मिलेगा. आई हैव टू बी कम्प्लीटली जोन्ड इन टू बेसिकली चेंज माई फिजिक, थिंक अबाउट व्हाट आई एम ईटिंग, माई न्यूट्रिशन, एंड फ्रॉम दैट टू द प्रेप ऑफ playing a character जिनका मराठी dialect है, then also internalizing all those sequences, the dramatic sequences. ये मेरे लिए completely एक alien field थी ये. मैंने ऐसा कभी लाइफ में नहीं किया था, ना मैंने कभी ऐसा किरदार प्ले किया था. तो ये नया जॉनर ही था मेरे लिए ऑल टुगेदर. रोमांस या कॉमेडी से अलग एक नई दुनिया में आ रहा था. सो फॉर मी इट बिकेम अ थिंग वेयर आई हैड टू बी 100% और 200% इनटू इट, विदाउट एनी diversion, without any kind of disturbance. So yeah, and I was in that whole zone where I turned into a kind of a robot or a machine where I was just only eating, sleeping, thinking about Chandu Champion.
Tell me, जब when you're going into it, आपने realize कि यार इसमें तो बहुत physical transformation लगेगा. What all does it require? You want to make people understand कि like you said, खाना पीना क्या क्या?
I think, sir, from the scratch, मेरा lifestyle ही पूरा change हुआ, because I had to change the way I used to eat food, because I was a foodie. And also मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा disadvantage हो गया था कि उसके just पहले मैंने Freddy की थी जिसमें I had to gain weight, and I had gained a lot of weight for that. So for me to turn into a super athlete for this film, it became a big task for me. And I had gone to a level of around 39 to 40% of fat in my body at that time, when I started prepping for the film. And from there to the journey was unreal, because I was adamant of the fact that this has to be done naturally and this has to be done in a way where I take my own sweet time, but I build a body with all these functional trainings or boxing or swimming and skill set seekte I will reach there with proper nutrition.
Right.
And that's what. So मेरा स्लीप पैटर्न पूरा चेंज हुआ, मेरे खाने का मेरा डिज़र्ट्स, चॉकलेट्स, आइसक्रीम, सब चीज़ें खाने से हटा दी गई. फ्रॉम रोटीज़ टू राइस टू पिज़्ज़ाज टू बर्गर्स, नथिंग, एवरीथिंग वाज जस्ट it was just about eating right food at the right time and sleeping on time and early to bed, early to rise, that kind of a situation for the entire couple of years basically. And yeah, this was what it was, and learning these skill set from scratch. Be it boxing, be it swimming, be it dangal, war sequences, unki bhi practice, because we shot for a sequence which was a one shot war sequence, 8-minute, which is again a new thing. So every situation or everything around this film was a tough task, and we had to just be at it and patiently wait and learn the things and then perform.
Right. But otherwise, are you a big foodie in the sense, will you have desserts every day? Are you a chocolate person?
I am a chocolate boy or person, दोनों. मुझे बहुत मुझे मीठा खाने का, डेजर्ट खाने का ये बहुत अलग आदत है. And I was not a fitness freak as such कि मैं एकदम ही
no sugar.
हाँ, ये तो मैं सीधा वहाँ से सीधा नो शुगर वाले जोन में चला गया, एंड इट बिकेम अ न्यू थिंग फॉर मी. एंड इवेंचुअली मुझे शुरू में विड्रॉल सिम्टम आते थे कि अरे यार ये मैं कैसे छोड़ दिया, क्या हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ में.
तो कभी नहीं रात को एक दिन फ्रिज में जाके जस्ट
शुरू में मेरे को पहला हफ्ता, 2 हफ्ता, 3 हफ्ता ये थोड़ा सा लगा अपने आप को संभालने में, लेकिन इवेंचुअली आई गॉट रिड ऑफ इट. एंड वंस वो एक धीरे मेरा mentally I got into that zone. So it just automatically, and you start seeing the changes also. So you don't want to have that guilt of having something and then trying to burn it again the next day. So वो automatically अपने आप ही वो fizzle out हो गया वो phase. And I became really honest with my diet and with my workouts, and yeah, then we used to have, it was a day packed with just maybe trainings or boxing training, swimming training, or gymming, or my workshops, reading sessions, the dialect sessions. So it was just about Chandu Champion, the entire.
Right, you know, but, now that all that is over, now you sit, how do you watch it? You know, हम इतने actors के interviews देखते हैं, Hollywood में भी किसने Joker की तो इतना weight lose किया. Now you understand the process. Did you have a good time doing all this?
No, not really. I in fact, when I started doing it, I was really thinking that this is a terrible idea. How will I achieve this? There were questions in my mind, but of course I was not giving up. I was not ready to surrender. But I think. धीरे I just kept going, and somewhere down the line, because it was such a big responsibility, and it became a motivational factor as such to actually be at it, to play this character. I think उसकी वजह से मैं inspire होता रहा, motivate होता रहा, and to achieve that, I think eventually I started enjoying that process. But at the start, like first, no, not at all. First few weeks, first few months also, I wasn't. I don't know, because तब इतना body में changes भी नहीं दिख रहे थे. तब वो धीरे you get to a point, and once I was in that space and zone, then I felt कि हाँ, ये this is working, and this. All this dieting, all this sleeping on time, or small things, but they really add on to everything that you do.
You know, when I interview actors who have played people from the real world, दो तरह के process होते हैं. एक बोलते हैं कि मैं सिर्फ script follow करूँगा, और दूसरे बोलते हैं नहीं, I would like to meet the person, I would like to Google, YouTube, उनके interviews देखो. What's your process?
Sir, because यहाँ पे एक चीज़ बहुत important थी कि I think Kabir sir wanted me to have my own एक और उनके भी दिमाग में जो था, तो उन्होंने अपना पूरा मेरे को एक आइडिया बताया हुआ था, एंड ऑल्सो द स्क्रिप्ट इट हेल्प मी इन अ वे टू अंडरस्टैंड द कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज उनके बारे में ज़्यादा वीडियोस नहीं थे, उनके बारे में फोटोज भी नहीं थे इतने, उनके सिर्फ कुछ न्यूज़ आर्टिकल्स थे जिससे ये पूरा कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग हो रहा था। बट क्योंकि उनसे जो बातें कबीर सर ने की, so he wanted a fresh approach as such, and just go with the flow of the script. तो that is what I followed. कि स्क्रिप्ट का एक फ्लो था जिसमें जिस तरीके से वो बात करते हैं, जिस तरीके से उनका सोचना है, हर चीज़ में एक अगर सोच लिया है तो एक ज़िद्दीपना है, वो हर चीज़, मतलब वो थोड़ा सा एक कुछ छोटे छोटे फैक्टर्स थे जो उन्होंने मेरे ऐसे मुझसे करवाए थे इस फिल्म में, एंड आई थिंक इट रियली हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. I had met Sir Murli sir also, and but eventually because उनका जो जो कबीर सर का जो एक अप्रोच था, वो उनको स्पेसिफिकली आई थिंक ऐसा चाहिए था कि जिसमें मैं बिना किसी इंटोनेशन के, बिना किसी कि ये ऐसे करते हैं तो मैं ऐसे ही रिपीट करूं, बिकॉज ऑल्सो द फैक्ट इज दैट ही इज समवन whose story a lot of people don't know. They've not seen the visual, they don't know the videos, the photos and stuff like that. So I think that is something which so specifically because of that, I think Kabir sir didn't want any kind of specific approach कि ये ही follow करना है. तो we were at least at ease with that. But then वो मुझे एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ थी कि मुझे वो एथलेटिक फॉर्म, और मुझे वो आई नीड टू have that built or look the part when I am with these professional boxers, with these professional swimmers, and follow the sport and do it professionally as much as possible. So वो एक so that's why we folled the different approach of not meeting.
No, that's why that scenes where you're boxing and all, like it's amazingly so convincing. But when did you meet? You met him after, during the shoot? During the shoot. So what is that like? Like
it was really nice that he saw me swimming, and he said the same. He said this, that कि तुम मेरी तरह स्विमिंग कर रहे हो, ये एंड वी हैड नेवर, या इट जस्ट हैपेंड टू बी बिकॉज कुछ चीज़ें उन्होंने बताई हुई थी कि फ्री स्टाइल में ये ऐसे करना है, या लेफ्ट साइड में ही वो देखना है, या राइट. सो थोड़ी स्पेसिफिक डिटेल्स थी जिसको हमने फॉलो किया था, बट इट जस्ट हैपेंड टू बी कि वो उस एक सेशन के टाइम वो वहाँ पे आए थे मिलने के लिए, एंड व्हेन वी मेट हिम ही वाज रियली मोटिवेटिंग. ही वाज एक्चुअली सेइंग इट इन अ वे where he was really happy about the fact that this was happening, and we were so happy that we got a chance to do this.
Super. You're a bankable star. That's why you are a big name. Sajid Nadiadwala is a big name. Kabir Khan is a big name. When these kind of people want to work with you, you also want to work with them. Does this play on your mind that Bajrangi Bhaijaan ka filmmaker is working with you? What is that initial approach like?
I think I was in safe hands. That's what I believed, and when I was doing Chandu Champion, I thought that this team, the entire team, really takes care of the film that they're making. They really go into all the details and small things that is really important for a film like this, especially. So वो मुझे बहुत उस चीज़ का मतलब एक बिलीफ था कि ये ज़रूर मैं मेहनत पूरी करूँगा, लेकिन मुझे ये ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मेहनत वेस्ट जाएगी, ये मेहनत उस तरीके से दिखाई भी जाएगी. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई फेल्ट, एंड आई वाज कन्विंस्ड अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट दिस इज गोना हैपन बिकॉज इट्स अ कबीर खान फिल्म, एंड इट्स ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय साजिद नाडियाडवाला सर. सो आई फेल्ट they'll be really true to the film and the journey of the character, and yeah, that is what you want as an actor when so yeah, I was really happy to know that Kabir sir was trying to make a film like this, and he was helming this film.
Right. When someone calls you a bankable star, you are, and today see the box office, kya chalta hai, kya nahi, nobody knows. Do you ever take this pressure? What is a Friday like for Karthik?
I just feel that my producers, whoever is associated with the film, they should get enough profit from the film. They should not feel कि अरे यार कुछ मतलब इतने साल की इतने टाइम की मेहनत and they don't basically it's somewhere down the line their business has to meet a creative satisfaction, and that is where I feel I try to balance it out with my films, and I feel ki I try to balance content with commercial cinema, and so that everybody is in a way happy, and thankfully Kabir sir and Sajid sir, of course, they are filmmakers who are very much involved in their film, and they want their film to look a certain way, feel a certain way, and they want their film to be really honest, which I really admire about them. So I think I mean on a Friday, I'm just thoda sa nervous of the fact that whether it'll meet the expectations or no, because sometimes a lot of expectations are made through trailers, through the songs, through the in fact with our posters also, they were shocking and surprising. So everybody सबके एक high hopes बन गए, but I don't wanna मतलब मैं वो pressure film पे नहीं डालना चाहता हूँ. मैं genuinely वो चाहता हूँ कि कोई भी film बस थिएटर में देखने आई है, विदाउट एनी पहले का कुछ सोच के या ये बस वो फिल्म को फिल्म की तरह देखे. आई नो इट्स टफ टू मेक एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड दैट, बट इट्स समथिंग व्हिच I feel I'm really proud of this film, and whosoever will watch the film will also say the same thing, because it's something which is I think after a long period a wholesome entertainer will be there, and this will entertain and this will inspire a lot of people.
Right. To be at the top of your game, will you do you plan your slate? There should be, say, one rom-com, one serious film, one sports drama. Is it possible for an actor to plan, like every?
अपने आप हो जाता है सर.
अच्छा, हो जाता है.
मुझे उसको प्लान करके ना क्या होता है, कई बार कोई रिलीज डेट कोई कुछ
पुश हो जाती है.
हाँ, कुछ पुश हो जाता है, किसी के इतने सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, उनकी डेट्स मैच नहीं हो रही होती है, तो यू कांट एक्चुअली प्लान इट. मतलब इट्स मिरेकुलस अगर ये चीज़ हो जाती है कि आपने सोचा कि अभी आएगी, फिर बाद में वो आएगी, फिर वो कई बार ऊपर नीचे होता ही रहता है कुछ ना कुछ. सो आई फील कि मैं बस एक अच्छी फिल्म करने की कोशिश करता हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी सेल्फिश विद ऑल माय स्क्रिप्ट्स. मैं उन्हें अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं जाने देता हूँ, तो अब वो उनकी टाइमिंग क्या हो वो फिर मैं लक पे छोड़ देता हूँ.
राइट. देयर इज सो मच टॉक अबाउट योर फिल्म विद विशाल भारद्वाज, योर फिल्म विद धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस. व्हाट कैन यू टेल अस एट दिस स्टेज?
I cannot say anything right now because I'm
You're doing those. Itna to you can say.
I can't say anything. I'm just मैं अभी सिर्फ एक्चुअल में उन फिल्मों के बारे में, तो भूल भुलैया 3 के बारे में भी कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आजकल, क्योंकि जब तक वो फिल्म रेडी होके बस वो सामने ना आ जाए तब तक मैं कुछ बोलता ही नहीं हूँ, because I am just now थोड़ा सा taking it slow also with my films in terms of just the announcement bits and just the and I don't know कि मैं फिल्मों के बारे में जो मेरी आने वाली फिल्म है या जिनको मैं करने वाला हूँ उनके बारे में मैं कितनी बातें कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं. तो honestly speaking, that's the reason I cannot speak much about those films. But yeah, I'm looking forward to all my collaborations.
Right. There's one fan question about you collaborating with Tripti Dimri in 2 movies. What is she like so far? What is
so I've been भूल भुलैया अभी चल रही है film which where Tripti is also there, and she's a wonderful artist to work with, and I'm really happy that she's a part of it, and she's very confident when it comes to her art, which is very great, and I think it helps in when you're performing a scene with an artist like that. So it helps the scene, it helps it helps me also in a way to have those improvising moments and stuff like that. So yeah, it's great to collaborate with her.
Right. Lastly, who gives you correct feedback? Who gives you honest feedback? Everybody needs people कि यार जैसी है बता दे, अच्छी है नहीं है जो भी. Do you have such people around?
I think so. मतलब my team, my friends, and there are my college friends. They just कुछ ऐसा है कुछ.
They have that rapport.
They have that. वो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं.
Family?
फैमिली बहुत बार गलत बोलती है तो मैं उनके लेना चालू बंद कर दिया है मैंने उनके
Who in your
reports-
family tells you still thoda critical या थोड़ा या best?
My sister.
Your sister.
Yeah, she's still थोड़ा सी better.
Okay.
Out of the lot.
So in your family is there no one who will tell you कि हमको ये पसंद नहीं आया? Because they love
नहीं
you.
वो जब
obviously.
बोल देते ना पसंद नहीं वो जब बोलते पसंद नहीं आया तो वो पसंद आता है लोगों को
So they are not with
उनका हाँ दे आर नॉट द राइट क्रिटिक वो थोड़ा उल्टा हो जाता है
Right.
इसलिए मैं उनसे पूछना बंद कर दिया हूँ
Right. And social media comments will you read on Friday? If someone has say liked the film and they come and write on your Instagram कि हमको अच्छी लगी whatever,
हाँ.
are you someone who reads all that or no?
Sometimes I do.
Okay.
Yeah. When I feel like कि हाँ मेरे पास because there's a lot to read.
Yeah.
कभी कोई छूट
possible,
जाता है
yeah,
हाँ
हाँ.
possible नहीं होता लेकिन I try to read as much as I can.
Right.
Yeah.
Great, this is looking great and clearly
Arre,
you
thank
worked
you, sir.
very hard. So
Thank you,
I
sir.
really hope this does well
I
for
hope so
you,
too.
for Kabir, your producers, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.